Good morning. What's going on, y'all? I know it's been a while since I posted, but I don't know. I just didn't really have much to do. But today I'm finally going to install some Megan test pipes on the Prelude, as I can see from the title. I've been having these since I got the car, and I've never installed them. So I want to see how it goes, how it sounds and stuff. And yeah. All right, just made it to the homie Cason's house. We finna get it started right now. It's like 9 in the morning or whatever, so started early because it's a good day outside. It was like snowing a lot last week. Like we had a few inches of snow and now it's warm. Like, come on, it's Tennessee weather, crazy. I don't think I ever showed y'all the test pipe yet, but here it is. Megan test pipe. The dude I had bought the car from back in, when did I buy it? The end of July, he had gave me the test pipe for free, so I don't know how it sounds. Right now my car sounds pretty good, but he gave it to me for free, so we're gonna go ahead and install it. If I don't like it, I'm gonna sell it. So that's why I'm installing it right now. All right, got the cat out. Yes, sir. Took a little while, bro. One of the bolts seized up and we had to cut it in half. But yeah, that's the old thing right there. If I get this put in. Yes, sir. Finally. So look how rusted it was. I know my hands are dirty, but look at that. We had to cut it in half. Ah, man.
Extra.
Ooh. Got a new O2 sensor to put in it just because.
And look at these brackets, they ready for that splitter.
My boy Jonathan here now. We finna get a start up on it. Sir. Scraping a lot now. What's going on, y'all? It's a whole nother day. My boy Greg, I don't think y'all ever met him before. Yeah, he finally got his Prelude up and running or whatever. What we finna do? Go on a little cruise. Maybe take some pictures, I don't know yet. But it's finna storm in maybe 3 or 4 hours and he gotta go work anyway. So we're finna go ahead and get it started. You know, Honda things. Oh my gosh, bro. I wasn't even paying attention. Anyways, these Hondas be drinking this oil. Go ahead and put a tank slowly. Oh my gosh. Jeez, that boy Greg. Why was your face like that? Yeah. Got that 93. I said 93. 97.
Age 23.
Yeah. I'll still gap him, you know what I'm saying? Look at that.
I got that color.
Jeez. He think because he got weight reduction. Goofy self. We gonna see. Alright, we finna hit some Backroads. outside to a lake or something, get a little bit of pictures real quick. Trying to slouch a little bit because I don't know how it's gonna turn out if I'm tall or not. Don't want to push it too much. It's still a little wet out here, but Greg got way in the back, huh? Yeah, he just got his Prelude running. Well, it's been running, but needed a clutch and a few other stuff. Yeah. They got a lake over there. Hopefully I don't miss the turn because I don't go around here a lot. Random sequence in the vlog. We're actually at Chase's house now. Got the Prelude. Chase's Focus over there. Chase! He's just finishing up putting back in the clutch and the transmission and everything on the 3000. So we're finna go take a little ride in it soon. Sheesh. Just got it, his new project. Junk is mint. Woo. Yes, sir. Look at this boy, Greg. Ugly dude. Finna go take it on a spin. Pretty clean. Taking it on a little drive. Look at Greg all squished up in the back seat. Yeah. In the 3000. Smooth, huh? Alright, y'all. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog off here. I know the vlog was all over the place, but I got a lot of content coming in March and April, actually. I have a few plans for those months. But like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers soon.